Okay, third grade. So I'm going to talk to you about the worksheet that is in your packet with adding ing to words. Now I have two sheets on the left that are kind of guides talking about what you do with the base word. So if the base word ends with a vowel and a consonant, the consonant is doubled before adding the ending. So for example, like shop, it ends with an OP. So if we'd add ED, you're going to do PED. But if you're adding the ing, which we're going to be doing, you're going to add PING. Now, if the base word ends with an E, we're going to drop the E. Okay, so for hope, you would drop the E and add ED, but for this worksheet, we would drop the E and add ING. Okay, so that's from these two over here. Now, with your worksheet, it gives you 3 rules for talking about the ING with the present tense. Always keep the Y. It's something that's so different. We're so used to dropping the Y, adding an IED. Not on this worksheet. We're talking about ING. So keep the Y, and then you're going to add ING. See how it kept the Y, and then it added ING. Okay, if the word ends in E, we talked about this, we're going to drop the E. So we drop the E and just add ING. So I dropped the E and added ING. If the word has a short vowel sound and only has one consonant after it, you're going to double the consonant and adding ING. So for rap, it ends with a vowel consonant, right? A, P, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to double that P, and then I'm going to add ING. I'm going to add ING. Okay, so I'm going to do the left side with you, and then I'm going to turn you loose for the right side to do by yourself. So the first one, drive. It ends with the E, and if I go up to rule number 2, if it ends in E, remember I'm going to drop it, and then I'm going to add ING. So DRIV, drop the E and add ING for driving. Next one we have drop. Drop. It's a short vowel. So it has a vowel consonant. So if I look at rule number 3, that means I'm going to double that. So I'm going to do DROP, but I'm going to double the P and add ING for dropping. Hide, we already talked about it. It ends with an E. If I go up to rule number 2, I'm going to drop the E. So HID, drop the E, ING. Tap. Ooh, tap. Not tape, but tap. So I am going to, I have a vowel, then I have a consonant. So I'm actually going to double that P, right? So TAPPING. Come, we've already talked about it, ends with an E. That's rule number 2. I'm going to drop the E and add an ING. Joke, once again, ends with an E. So JOKING for joking. Change, ends in an E. Drop the E. So CHANG, drop the E, ING, changing. Make, ends in an E. Drop the E, add ING. Beg, freeze, ends in E. FREEZING. Beg, that ends with a vowel consonant. Vowel, then a consonant. So I'm going to double that G. So BEGGING. Lap, same thing. Vowel, then a consonant, so I'm going to double that. So Lapping. Smile that ends with an E. That's going to be rule number 2. So Smil. Drop the E, add ing. Marry. Ooh, we haven't had this one yet. So marry ends in a Y. Don't get confused on this. This is rule number Y. We do not drop the Y. We keep the Y. So Marry. And then we're going to add ing. And then finally on this side, once again, oh, we have a Y. So just like rule number 1, we're going to keep it. Frying. Okay, so I did the left side. So what I would like you to go do is go ahead and go do the right side. Now, keep in mind you have 3 rules to look at while doing this.